This is Elora in her diaper outside. There's Devin. Say hi. Hi, say hi.
Hi.
You want those?
Yeah.
There's Mike. Wave, honey.
Hi.
Here.
Mama,
Mm-hmm.
I want you to have one.
You want me to have one? Okay, I'll take one.
No, have one.
Oh, okay, I will. Why not?
I still can't get this where it says freaking.
Thank you.
It says CRFST. Ruber Mass. Like, you can still read it. Pisses me off.
Oh, well. All of my cars have been from Mass. It's funny because I hate Massachusetts. Every car I've ever owned.
It's from Massachusetts.
Yeah.
But New Hampshire takes Massachusetts as leftovers.
Hmm.
It's pretty bad.
Yeah.
Biased us.
Mmm.
Massachusetts has higher emission ratings that you have to comply with.
You want a bank? You hot and sweaty? Here. Okay, we'll pick you up. End of video 1.